Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 7 fractions chapter. Then here already we started that fractions case and now we are discussing about what about a like fraction. Like fraction means a denominator are same type of fractions, we call it as a like example 2 by 9, 7 by 9, 8 by 9, like this. They are known as a like fraction. Denominator becomes same, the fraction whose denominator are same, such type of fractions we call it as a like fraction. Then next, unlike fraction means denominator become different, such type of fraction we call it as a unlike fraction. Then next, comparison, comparing and fraction case, comparing fraction. Here suppose in question look in time, all numerator part are equal, like this way. 3 by 9, then 3 by 4, next 3 by 2, next 3 by 7, like this way question is there. So here look at them, all numerator part are same, only denominators are different. Numerators full same and denominators are different only. Then we want to identify which fraction become greater in this fraction, which is the greater fraction. How to identify means basis of denominator we are identifying. In denominator which number becomes smaller. Here 9 or 4 or 2 or 7 is smaller. Denominators means down part we call it as which number is smaller, 2 is smaller. That's why we can say the fraction 3 by 2 is the greatest fraction in this given example. Okay, when we say like that, numerator becomes same and denominator are different, we want to identify in that question which fraction become greater. At that how to identify? Basis of denominator we are identifying. Small, which number comes as a smaller denominator, that fraction represent as a greatest fraction. Then same way. Another example, denominators are same, numerators are different. See, 12 by 25 and 7 by 25, 19 by 25, then next 21 by 25. Here all denominators are equal, numerators are different. We want to identify which fraction become bigger. How to identify that? In numerator case, which is the bigger number? Which number coming as a numerator part bigger, that fraction comes as a greater fraction. So here see which numerator is a greater, 12 or 7 or 19 or 21, and 21 is greater. We know that. That's why 21 by 25 represent as a greater fraction. I hope you can understand the difference of these two fractions case. Then next we go through. Yes, some questions. Here questions are they asking like that, identify the greatest fraction, like that, greater symbol or lesser symbol or equal symbol, keeping type of question. Then one question is they saying that represent to exercise 7.4, 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6, 6 by 6. Represent these numbers on the number line. How to represent? First we draw a number line, straight line using scale and pencil use, and somewhat here to mark a point 0, scale using 1 centimeter, take a scale using and taking a, the left side, right side of the 0 represent as positive value, left side of the 0 represent as a negative value. 1 centimeter use first we separate. Then here basis of denominator fractions, right? 0 after always we know what, but here we want to write as a fractional form. Here a denominator which number 6, that's why we can write 1 by 6. Next 1 centimeter place 2 by 6. Next 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6, 7 by 6, next 8 by 6. So all infinite numbers. Left side part minus 1 is the left side part, but here fraction wise, that's why minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, like this way. Then see which are the numbers they ask in that one, the mark 2 by 6, where it is here, that one keep a box. Next 4 by 6, where it is here, mark that. Next 8 by 6, where it is here. Then next they ask is 6 by 6, 6 by 6 were here. Just you mark all the number, right? That is the meaning of that question. Next question that tells about compare the fractions. Compare the fractions using an appropriate sign. The first question, the second part is compare the fractions. Compare the fractions and put a sign, appropriate sign. Such type of question. First question they says that 3 by 6 or 5 by 6 is greater. B question they asking 1 by 7 or 1 by 4 is greater. Next question 4 by 5 or 0 by 5 is greater. With directly we want to find. Already I said denominator same means numerator part same. In numerator which number is greater, that fraction become greater. So which fraction is greater? 5 is a greater number. That's why 5 by 6 is greater. So keep the sign on that side. Greater. Here what we have to read 3 by 6 is less than 5 by 6. That meaning 5 by 6 is greater than the. So this symbol represent as less than, this symbol represent as greater than, that symbol they asking and equal. Then next here same 1 by 7 or 1 by 4 is greater. Here numerator are equal, denominator are different. That time how we can identify in denominator which number comes as a smaller, that fraction represent as a greater fraction. Which number is smaller? 4 is smaller. So in denominator, in this question denominator 4 is smaller. That's why 1 by 4 part is greater than the 1 by 7. So we can write 1 by 4 is greater. So how to read? 1 by 7 is less than 1 by 4, or otherwise we can read it as 1 by 4 is greater than the 1 by 7. Here see which fraction, here denominator both are same only. Numerator part look in them which is greater there, 4 or 0 is greater, 4 is greater. That's why 4 by 5 fraction is greater. That side to keep. So how to read 4 by 5? Greater symbol. This is lesser symbol, and this is greater symbol. So 4 by 5 is greater than the 0 by 5. Then next question. Next question also same process, compare and find out type of question. In this picture same such type of questions, so compare the fractions and put a greater or lesser type of question. Then one more question, the same model, 7 by 9 or 3 by 9 is greater. For third bit case. B question 5 by 7 or 15 by 21 is greater. Which one is greater? Next they are asking 6 by 10 or 4 by 5 is greater. Like this question. How to do? See, the first question denominator look in there, both are same only. The numerator part look which number is greater. Which number is numerator greater? 7. That's why 7 by 9 fraction is greater. So greater symbol keep on the box. Reading 7 by 9 is greater than 3 by 9. Next here see 5 by 7 or 15 by 20. Here cancellation possible. Which table? 15 and 21 belonging a 3 table. 3 5s are same table. Use and cancel. Equivalent fraction already we learned. Equivalent fraction. What about equivalent fraction? Numerator and denominator same non-zero number. Use it to cancel. Multiply or same number. Use non-zero number. Use for division. Here we going to divide with which number? Same number. 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are which 21. Then see 5 by 7 right side also. Which symbol we keep? 5 by 7, left also 5 by 7, right also. So which is symbol? Equal symbol. This case also, here first we check cancellation possible. Yes, 6 and 10, 6 by 10 is cancellation possible. Which table? Same number only using. For cancellation, which number has 6 and 10, both number belongs in which table? 2 table, 2 3s are 6, then 2 5s are 10, 2 table both numerator and denominator we can able to cancel. Then say 3 by 5 or 4 by, now both of them denominator becomes same. Then look at the numerator part, 3 by 4 or 3 or 4 is greater, 4 is greater. That's why which fraction become greater? 4 by 5 part is greater than the, that means 3 by 5 is less than the 4, less than symbol we keep. So 4 by 5. This is the meaning of the third row. Such type some more questions are there. Next, fourth Roman. Fourth Roman they tells about fourth Roman, simplest form. Simplest form doing it. Simplest form. First question, 2 by 12. Simplest form, how to do? First, we write down the factors of numerator and factors of denominator. Here numerator is which number? 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 table and 2 table. 2 is getting the 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 table 12 is the reverse also. 12 table also. 12 into 1 become a 12. Next 2 table. 2 table when we get to 12 2 6 are 12. That's why 6 table also right. Next which table? 3 table also possible. 3 table when it is 3 4s are 12. That's why immediately 4 table also right. 5 table not possible. 6 table already completed. 7 table not there. 8 table not there. 9 table not there. Up to 10 table enough for checking. Then next, so next one is common factor. In this two numbers which are the common factors. Here 1 is common for both case and 2 is common for both case. So common factors are 1 and 2. Then HCF. HCF, what is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. Here which is the highest factor? 2 is the highest factor. That's why we understood that our fraction 2 by 12 is divided with the numerator and denominator with which number HCF 2 use and divide. Division means cancel. Cancel 2 table 2 when it is 1 time. 2 table 12 6 time. So answer become how much? 1 by 6. Again we can't able to cancel. So final answer become 1 by 6 is the answer. Then next one more question, B question. They ask to find out 16 by 100. Find simplest form doing that. How to find out? First, what are the factors of 16? Numerator part factors find it, then denominator part factors. What are the factors? 1 table 16 is there. Reverse also 16 table 16 is there. 2 table 16 is there. When we get to 16, 2 8s are 16. That's why 8 table also possible. 3 table 16 not there. 4 table 4 4s are 16. So repeated number 1 time right. Then next prime number, next denominator is 100. Factors of 100 also find out. In which 1 table 100 is the same way reverse. 100 table also 100 into 1 comes to be 100. Next 2 table. 2 table is supposed, yes, 2 into 50 comes to be 100. That's why 15 table also on this spot we want to write. Next 3 table not there. 4 table when it is 4 table 4 into 25 become 100. That's why 25 table also on this spot write down. 5 table is it possible? Yes, 5 table possible. 5 table when 5 into 20 become 100. Then 6 table not possible. 7 table not possible. 8 table not possible. 9 table not possible. Then next 10 into 10 become 100 there. Okay. Then 110 we want to write. Then factors. What CF? CF means common factor. Both numerator and denominators of factors case, which are the common factors that can sort out. So which are the? 1 is common for both number. 2 is common for both number. Then next 4 is common for both case. Again here numbers are not the 16 case. Again number numbers not there. So up to there. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 4 are the common factors for these two numbers. Then HCF. HCF means highest common factor. In this 3 number, which is the highest number? 4. So what is the meaning? 16 by 10 is divided with the HCF. What is the HCF here? 4. So 4 use and divide. Same number only using it. Then only equivalent fraction. 4 table 16. Division do division. 4 table when we get to 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 table when we get 125. Is it possible to again cancel? No. 4 table 4 okay. 25 4 table not there. 24. That's why cancellation again not possible. 4 by 25 is the final answer. Then in this way they are doing this type of questions. I hope you can understand this one. One more question. Okay, that is here one more question is 12 and 72 cases. Same model. Here also same process. Factors of 12. 1 table 12 is there. 12 table 12 is there. 2 table 12 is there when it is 6. Then 3 table 12 is there when it is 4 times. 4 table already completed. 5 table not there. 6 table already completed. 7, 8, 9, 10. That table not having 12. Then 72. When it is 1 table 72 is the same way 72 table also. 2 table 72 is the when it is 36 times. Again here 3 table is there 72. Yes, 3 table when we get 24 times. Then is it possible to divide it with 4 table? How many times? 1 here here comes to be how much? 32 means 18 times. 18 times. Next 5 table not there. 6 table when it is it to become a 12 times. 6 into 12 becomes 72. Then 7 table not there. 8 table 8 into 9 become a 7. That's why directly on this spot 9 table also right now. Then CF means common factor. In these two number factors which are common, 1 is common for both number case, 2 is common for both number case. Then next 6 is common for both number case. Then 3 is common for both number case. Then next 4 is common for both case. Then same way 12 also common for both number case. That full common factors, right? 1 is common, then 2 is common, 3 is common, 4 is common, next 6 is common, orderly, right? 12 also common, they are the common factor for that two numbers 12 and 7. Then highest common factor. In this common factor, which is the highest factor? 12 is the highest common factor. Then our fraction 12 by 72 take and divided with which number? HCF. What is our HCF? 12. So 12 we use and divided numerator and denominator. 12 table when we get answer 12, 12 into 1 become 12. That's why 1 we write. 12 table when we get to 72, 12 6 are 72. So our answer become how much? 1 by 6 is the answer. I hope you can understand this model question. Another model next class we can discuss. Thank you.